Just north of Loop 1604 in San Antonio, Texas, off of Interstate 10 and Boerne Stage Rd, is this fabulous home at 7927 Midnight Stage. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is 3,329 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. The open floor plan to this home is amazing. There's tile flooring throughout the downstairs, and there's also 3 living areas along with 2 dining areas. The kitchen comes with an island, updated appliances, a ton of cabinet and counter space, and is wide open to the rest of the downstairs. Upstairs is the 3rd living area that makes for the perfect family room. The master bedroom is very spacious, and the master bathroom has tile flooring with a double vanity. All of the secondary bedrooms in this home are pretty roomy as well. Every bedroom in this home comes with a ceiling fan, even the downstairs bedroom. The backyard is pretty much like a park. It has a great shaded play area along with the wrought iron fence up against a beautiful greenbelt. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.